Good morning, boys and girls. So today we're going to learn the letter W. And remember that every letter has a name and every letter has a sound. So today's name is W, and it looks like this: capital W or uppercase W and lowercase w or little w. Sometimes we say big and small. And do these letters look the same or different? They look the same, but one is a little bit smaller than the other. This one, the lowercase w, is a little bit smaller than uppercase W, but the shape of the letter is the same. So let's get started with the sound of the letter W. Okay, so I have some pictures of some things that start with W, and let's see if you can guess what is the sound of W. So here's the first picture. What is this arrow pointing to in the picture? It's pointing to a window. Can you say window? Window. Window starts with W. Window. This is a spider web. So web. Web starts with W. Here's the spelling. Web starts with W. So what do you think the sound of W is? Let's keep practicing. This is a watch. Watch. What does watch start with? W. Watch. So the beginning sound is w. This is a well. So a well is something that is a hole deep down in the ground, and there's water, and they go and they fetch water with the well. And so well, you turn this handle right here. See the handle on the picture? You turn that handle and it brings the bucket up with water. Well starts with W. Well. Now here is some hair, but it's not real hair, and it's hair that you put on your head, and it's not real. It's called a wig. Wig. So wig is like putting fake hair on. Wig starts with W. Wig. This is a wagon. Wagon. So a wagon is something you can pull behind you. Wagon. Wagon starts with W. Wagon. So now we've said all of those pictures. Do you have a guess? What is the sound of W? Let's try again, and let's see if you can hear it. Wagon, wagon, well, watch, web, wig, and the last one, window. All of those start with the same beginning sound. Window, wagon, web. So the sound of W is w. Now I'm going to say it 3 times. Wagon. Wagon. Now you say it. Wagon. Wagon. Very good. That's awesome. So I'm really proud of you. Now we're going to learn how to write the letter W. You learned the sound of the letter W. Now let's practice writing it. So boys and girls, please get your English handwriting book and turn to page number 50. And we're going to start with capital W. So in your books, turn to page number 50, and we're going to start with capital W. So let's get closer to it so you can see where it is on the lines. Writing in the lines is very important for you to learn how to make the letter properly. So we're going to start at the red line on the left side of the box, and we're going to go down, up, down, up. Okay, so then I'm touching the green line and the red line. And then I never have to pick up my pencil. Down, up, up. Very good. Or you could also do it like this, and this is also acceptable. Down, up, up. Whichever one you like to make, you can make it that way. Then the second page you're going to turn to is page number 32, and we're going to practice lowercase w, or small w. Now when we look closely at small w, it doesn't start at the red line, or at the top line. It starts at this little green line, okay, because it's much smaller than capital W. So watch, I'm just going to make the same shape, down, up, up. I never have to pick up my pencil from the paper. Down, up, up. And that is lowercase w. So when you finish this, boys and girls, please send me a picture. And then your last assignment is also to use your English notebook, and at the top write W is for, and draw different pictures and write words that start with w, like water, or witch, or wagon, or wind. There's lots of things that start with W. So listen to different words and try to think of things that start with W, okay? W. The sound of W is w. And then I have some other videos for you to practice, our games. And then also this week we're going to learn how to write your name. So be sure to do all your work and send me a picture when you're done. Bye, boys and girls.